taught herself all that she knew. Nobody knew what she looked like when she took off her dancing shoes. There were men who would have loved to mistreat her. There were a few to whom she gave the chance. She'll never take a ring on her finger. All she ever loved was the dance. It's back and forth, two steps and waltzes, dragging her heart behind through all the song. If anyone knew the pain she'd been hiding, they'd never think she was doing wrong. There are a few who claim she's just an angel, wearing a clever disguise. If you could see past her old broken halo, she might take your hand for the night. Don't ask her too many questions. She'll talk if she wants you to know. Don't bother trying to get her number. In the morning she likes to lay low. But if you're lucky enough just to witness the way she moves over the floor, you might see that she ain't this world. You might see something you can't ignore. It's back and forth, two steps and waltzes, dragging her heart behind through all the song. If anyone knew the pain she'd been hiding, they'd never think she was doing wrong. There are a few who claim she's just an angel, wearing a clever disguise. If you could see past her old broken halo, she might take your hand for the night. There were men who would have loved to mistreat her. There were a few to whom she gave a chance.